My father, Sri Lalu Prasad Yadav ji, who taught India how to speak the language of justice. From the plains of Bihar, where the Rashtriya Janata Dal has carried forward the torch of social justice. Friends, democracy is not just about election. Democracy is not about empathy. It is about the ability of a government to look into the eyes of backbencher of the society and all the DMK alliance leaders and all the workers. Brother, sister, Vanakkam, Tamil Nadu. Welcome to this land of dignity, resistance, and great ideas. I am standing here today alongside Honorable CM Thiru, M.K. Stalin ji. I do not feel like a visitor from Bihar. I feel like a comrade in shared journey. A journey that began long before us, shaped by giant late Kalainagar Karunanidhi ji and my father, Sri Lalu Prasad Yadav ji, who taught India how to speak the language of justice. I bow my head in respect to the towering legacy of C.N. Annadurai and Kalaignar M. Karunanidhi, leaders who not only governed but transformed the grammar of politics itself. They taught us that politics is not about power alone, it is about dignity and justice. Friends, if one were to map the moral geography of India, Tamil Nadu would stand as one of its brightest beacons. This is a land where social justice was not treated as a slogan, but as a lived commitment. And that is why I stand here not to tell you what to do, but to remind you what you have already built. From the plains of Bihar, where the Rashtriya Janata Dal has carried forward the torch of social justice, to the vibrant soil of Tamil Nadu, where the DMK has shaped a revolution of equality. Our languages may differ, our cultural expressions may be different, but we refuse to accept injustice as destiny. Friends, democracy is not just about election. Democracy is not about empathy. It is about the ability of a government to look into the eyes of backbencher of the society and its poorest citizen, and they say, you matter. Under the able leadership of Honorable M.K. Stalin Sahab, Tamil Nadu has continued this legacy with a successful journey and remarkable empathy and compassion. My young friends, here I speak especially to you. You are beneficiaries of a proud legacy of Kalaignar that is both inspiring and demanding. The future is often spoken of in terms of technology, innovation, and growth. But what is the meaning of growth if it encourages inequality? What is the meaning of progress if it leaves behind the disadvantaged communities and poor who need it in the most? The Dravidian model has answered this question with quiet conviction that growth of justice are not opposites, they are companions. Friends, there are moments in history when societies are called upon to make choices, not just political choices, but ethical ones. Today, this election is about such a moment. Your vote, therefore, is not just about forming a government. It is about affirming a philosophy. It is about saying that dignity can't be compromised, that diversity cannot be diluted, that justice cannot be postponed. Let us remember, nations are not judged merely by the power they wield, but by the compassion they demonstrate, not by the uniformity they enforce, but the diversity they embrace. And in that sense, Tamil Nadu has always been ahead of its times. When a child in Tamil Nadu gets access quality education, it strengthens the idea of India. When a marginalized community here finds dignity, it enriches our collective conscience. When the state chooses justice, it sends a message far beyond its borders. So my appeal to you is simple. Strengthen what you have built. Continue the journey that your great leader began, and the leaders like N.K. Stalin ji are carrying forward with commitment, passion, and compassion. Because of untiring efforts of Kalaignar and Stalin ji, Tamil Nadu is the top performing state in India. Tamil Nadu ranks high in socio-economic development, industrialization, and human development indexes. It is because of the hard work of Stalin Sahab that Tamil Nadu is the second largest contributor to India's GDP and one of the leading states in health, education, digital literacy, and highest per capita income. When it comes to social justice and human development, Tamil Nadu shows the path to the rest of the India. My father, Sri Lalu Prasad Yadav ji, says that social justice, social infrastructure, and human development should be the utmost priority of any government. Do not let this journey of all-around development be interrupted, because this is not just Tamil Nadu's journey, it is India's journey. I stand before you not just as Tejashwi Yadav, but as a fellow traveler with Stalin sir in this long march towards dignity. And I would like to congratulate Thiru Stalin Sahab for taking a principled stand against delimitation bill and the Constitution Amendment Bill. Modi government wants to weaken the Constitution and the federal structure. But by the blessing of all of you, yesterday in Parliament, Shri Stalin Sahab and all of us opposition party defeated the bill and the BJP. Thiru Stalin Sahab played a very important role in that by sending all of his MPs to Delhi in the middle of the election to teach a lesson to Modi ji, BJP, NDA and AIADMK. At the end, and I say this is with conviction, when Tamil Nadu rises, India rises. When Tamil Nadu chooses justice, India moves closer to its soul. Raise your hand, everyone, raise your hand and give your blessing to Stalin Sahab. Give your blessing to Thiru Stalin Sahab. Long live Kalainagar! Long live Kalainagar! Nandri Vanakam!